I was placed at Meadowlark Elementary, working with students in the kindergarten through 5th grade. The after-school program at Meadowlark Elementary had a fun and engaging atmosphere. They had all sorts of activities for students, other than the one I taught. The activity that I engaged in with the students was dealing with LEGO Robotics We Do Kit 2.0, where we built cars, frogs, and even helicopters using the LEGO kits, also with iPads. One struggle that I came across was one week we would have older students that could build the kits while the younger students struggled to finish their builds. The second struggle was with after-school programs. The parents would come and pick their child up halfway through the time allotted, and then their partner or the student would not have a partner for the rest of the time, so they would take longer to make a build. The main success with my experience with working with the students at Meadowlark Elementary, mainly knowing that when the students came to the cafeteria, they were all excited from the last weeks of building. My future recommendation for the Tech Club program would be able to go work with students twice a week instead of just once a week. So one thing that you could do differently is not stretch the 6 visits in 6 weeks. You could also do 2 visits in the 3 weeks, or even go 2 visits for 6 weeks. You get more experience. After this experience teaching at Meadowlark, the teaching beliefs of finding something in common with your students goes a long way while building up that relationship you have. The one teaching belief that changed was even the students are older and have dealt with the technology, you still have to inform them on how to use it properly. But overall, I loved the experience working with all the students at Meadowlark Elementary.